A guy who is investing at the age of 25 with just 10,000 per month with a 10% increase in SAP every year.
Okay.
Until your retirement age. You are starting at the age of 25 till your age of 60. But the question is where you are going to do that. Which there are no thousands of mutual funds, there are thousands of stocks. I do not know which one to invest. So the simple thing is you can just invest in any index funds. Just invest in Nifty Bs, nothing else. Just in Nifty Bs is what I've considered, which is given a 14% annualized returns on a year-on basis since launch. For calculation purpose, I've considered it. Just focus on Nifty funds or Nifty Bs and investing it 10,000 every month for the till your retirement age. No big changes. Increase it every 10% year-on-year basis. That is going to give you a corpus of around 42 crores. So 42 crores, you would have invested only 1.13 crores in your complete lifespan of 35 years. But a guy who realized it at a later stage, say suppose like me, a guy who realized, okay, this is really important, but my age is 35. Okay, let me do one thing. Instead of investing 10,000 per month, let me invest 20,000 per month. I'll double it so that I'll try to achieve the same 42 crores corpus. But a guy who was invested late but invested more, who was double that of money, 20,000. If he has did that for the next 25 years till his age of retirement at 60, with the same returns, 14% per annum, with the same 10% increase, his overall corpus is going to be only 15 crores.